Hello, I'm Will Hedden and these are your morning market headlines from IG Insight on Monday the 13th of August. And there's a sombre mood in the city of London today as the Olympics have come to a close, and it seems to be reflecting the general sentiment in markets as well this morning. The FTSE 100 down 17 at 58.30. Now, a couple of names to mention. Standard Chartered once again bouncing from their recent fall, 1.5% better off the top riser today, and the Telegraph reporting that the big bosses of the bank are heading to New York this week to defend their corner. And then at the other end of proceedings, we have Petrofac, the biggest faller, lower by 5% today, having reported a forecast-beating set of earnings. But it looks like there's a worry over the order pipeline coming through in the coming months and quarters, and this is hitting the stock today. The stock itself having had a fairly decent couple of months. Now, the damp mood was started off overnight with Japanese GDP missing expectations, 0.3% growth for the second quarter in Japan, when double that was actually expected. But from a bullish point of view, we had positive movements towards the close of the US session on Friday, with the Federal Reserve Chairman of San Francisco actually saying the overall Federal Reserve should be coming out, getting the printing presses ready and trying to get unemployment down in the US quicker than it currently is falling. Now, otherwise, it's a quiet day ahead with a much more of a data focus from tomorrow and towards the rest of the week. We have GDP from some of Europe's biggest hitters tomorrow, as well as UK inflation. At the moment, a US opening call looks again reflective of the mood here in Europe, somewhat slightly weaker sentiment, with the Dow Jones lower by 25 points at 130.180. That's it from me. Do check out Insight for further news and analysis.